Okay, this is the second time in a day or so that the thing's screwed up. It's done this a few times before, so I'm going to shoot a little videotape of it, or try to anyway. Right now it says it's in CO2 alarm, and then we shut the heater off. And here's what I'm doing. That particular LED, it's the CO2 carbon monoxide alarm is on. So here's what I do. Press the test mute button. Goes off. Blinks only 2 times that time. Two times that time. Try it again. Two times. Before it was making 4 times. Now it seems to be dissipating. I don't know if it was real or not. And we got the tape across the Son alert so it doesn't beep so loud, irritate the neighbors. But there, now press the mute button. What's that supposed to mean? That was the mute button. Press the left side or the test button. I'm not sure what's going on here. Both of them together. Mute button. That's crazy. There. Hit it lightly once, it goes out. 2. And that's it. There, now it comes on green. That's the complete sequence.